how to share your profile on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share your profile on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there, click on me at the bottom to go to your profile, and once you are here, click on the share icon up there. Now you can share your profile to WhatsApp messages, your status, copy link, Facebook. Click on other if you didn't find the app you want, and here you can find all the app. So this is it guys, easy and quick. This is how you can share your profile. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.